What up guys, so today I'm going to be doing a load of den tutorials, there's not going to be any family dens, so I want to do a beta den, and we're going to use the old barn, so we're going to start with floorings first. I don't know what's better, that or that. I'm going to put tan carving because that's better. Now, would I choose that or that? I personally like this one. That's what we'll be using. Anyway, let's start. So, I'll probably show them. Anyway, I'll probably show them accidentally or something like that. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to get the speakers and put them here. Tree stump will go here. Then we get the chair. I am putting that there temporarily until I get another wood lawn chair. So we're going to put the art easel there. I'm hoping Animal Jam see this because I genuinely want to because I'm saving up a load of betas. I want to move that somewhere else, so we'll save that for somewhere else now. Grass with worms, I don't know if that's better, so let me check. So I looked it up and it's not a beta, but it's worth 1 to 3 den mates, so I'll put that on trade anyway. Imprisoned phantoms can go here, because that's where phantoms belong, in a cage, somewhere where we don't know. So grass worms don't go in. We're gonna... I'll put the plushies in until I do get decent trays for it. But anywho, we are doing really well. Wood lawn chair, I need another one of them. Because I know it's not, I don't know if it's beta. I will check, so. You guys might say, oh, it's not beta and all that stuff, but I don't care, to be honest. And sorry if I sound weird, I've got a cold right now, but I'm still going to do a YouTube video for you guys daily, so I'm probably going to spam a lot because I've got 6 weeks, but I'm going on holiday at some point this week. I'm going to be gone for a whole week, so no Instagram posts, YouTube videos, or anything. Princess Cadre, I'm putting this in there. I don't know if that's better, so I'm going to quickly search that up. We've got non-member den items, so we're going to quickly check them. I need all these betas, so feel free to donate. I've got that, but anyway, I'm going to put this on trade and say, trade me worth 3 to 4 den betas, or good short wrist, or bad long wrist. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. So let's get back to Animal Jam. Anyway, I know half of it ain't beta, but I'm just putting it in there anyway, just for fun. I think really, cause it's stuff that's not in store anymore. This is still gonna go up here anyway. It's just it's difficult to say really because. So the globe will go here. I can't believe I thought I'd be done by now, but I'm not. So we'll get all the betas and then we'll sort it all out. All the cakes. I know they're not betas, but you could only get them on the 7th birthday, and I think the code's expired. I'm not quite sure. We need that. We need that. That. I can see that literally glitching out, and I'm like, stop. Chest can go there. Actually, I don't know. I might put the claw down there. And put the chest up here. Yeah, I'll put the chest up here. And the potted plants can go here. Right. Lava lamps can go here. Like, these stuff aren't in stores anymore, so I'd suggest that you guys, like, don't say anything mean, like, they're not in stores anymore. You do realise they're not in stores, so please, guys, don't do stuff like that. Got fruit bowl, that can go there. I've only got 3 sectional sofas anyway. Who cares? This is a nice food stand, so we'll just put that there. I need to stop accidentally moving these items. It's really annoying. Okay, so that can go here. We'll sort out where to put these anyway. We'll get the plant. Open sign. "2016 banner." Open sign can go like here. Yeah, we'll put it there. Fancy chair. I'm not sure if it's beta, but we'll put it in here anyway. Look, because one of them's big, one of them's small. So I'd rather put the small one in. We'll put the cactus in here, and then this here. We'll sort the cakes out, and I think I've just accidentally cut one out, so I'm going to quickly put the cakes in. Okay, we've got 2 basketballs, so we've got another lava lamp, so we'll add that in. Also, I'm back now, guys. So, we've pretty much added everything in, so let's go tour it. Let's turn into my Arctic wolf. So, we've got the cakes. Where's the thing that... Ooh! Oh, what's going on? Whoa. That's actually sick. So we've got all that, we've got the 2 balls. Oh, that, I forgot to add one in, skinny. One, I need to add this here. Oh god, I forgot to put some stuff in and now I feel bad. Did I get skinny? Anyway, let's go. So we've got all this. Got that. We've also got this. Looks very snazzy. Can go on there. We've got like the art easel. Still need to put some stuff there. Right, I need to move this along a little bit. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed me doing my beta den. Also, let's just quickly put some music on. We could do birthday bash. So I'll put that on. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed guys. Bye!